Alright people, what is up? Today is what, March 25th. It's about 7:30 in the evening, and just thought I'd kind of record this. Kind of cool, but pretty nasty thunderstorm going on outside. There's not much thunder, but you can see the storm, and there's rain and stuff, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna wait around for a little while and see if we get some thunder. So you can see the rain's picking up like crazy right now. Oh my goodness. Almost tempted to step outside to check this out, but hopefully we get some thunder coming here. That'd be kind of cool. Ooh, you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you hear that? Did you hear that shit? I did not expect that to come up, but wow, that was just insane. I almost have to talk loud because of how loud everything is, and my ears are almost ringing because how insane the storm is right now. I'm wondering how that's going to sound on camera, because that almost sounded like, I don't know, more intense than a gunshot for sure. It's ridiculous. So what I'm going to do is wait around for a little more and see if we get anything else coming up, because that was pretty cool. I saw that strike, but I didn't think it was going to be that loud. My goodness. Anyway, people, we're back. I was only gone for a second. Just talked to my folks. They were talking about that crazy thunder shot we had right there. That was an act of God, you could say. Pretty insane. And looks like we're just getting some more rain and stuff. Nothing really that exciting. So when I see that flash, I'm backing up because I'm not about to have my ears blown out again by the thunder. Nothing too exciting yet, but if we don't get anything by about 5 minutes, which is in a couple more minutes, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. It's probably not going to get anything else. Apparently some of our neighbors are losing power. This is a really weird time for a thunderstorm in late May. But I can't complain because it's kind of cool. We haven't had one of these in ages, so. Sorry about the shaky camera. I'm holding it with my hand. Uh-oh. I'm hearing the rumbling. So we're just gonna wait for the flash and see what happens. I mean, I've heard some loud thunder before. Like strikes almost, like strikes of thunder, you know, kind of like a, you know, kind of strikes down, you know, that sound I'm talking about. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, that one wasn't that, oh, there it goes. Oh my god, listen to this. Listen to this. This is just insane.